Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It's K510 Automotive Group. So basically, in my X5, my right headlight stopped working. Oh, jeez. Alright, so we're in the car now. I'll show y'all what's the warning I'm getting. I just started. So once this does, it's like little once over, like all the check stuff, like it's the checklist or whatever. Let me see if it just shows it. I says all systems are okay. Once I turn the lights on, it's gonna get a warning for the headlights. I guess not. I'm surprised it's not showing a warning. But anyways, my oh, there it go. So right low beam malfunction. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be fixing on this video. I tried replacing the bulb already, like the HID bulb. I'll show y'all how that look and what part numbers y'all gonna need. Was the first gen bodies, they seem like they're a lot different. Like all the parts are different, like as far as the headlights. But yeah, man, this is the headlights I just installed in mine. The part number is I'm not even sure. Things in Chinese or Japanese, whatever. I made in China. But anyways, I tried installing that already. Didn't fix the problem, so now the next step is to replace the ballast, which is I haven't done one on this car before. But I've been looking up a lot of videos. So this box is like on the back of the housing. On the older ones, just underneath the headlight assembly. So in order to replace this box that's right there, I'm gonna have to remove the headlight. I'm gonna have to remove the headlights to get to it, which I'm not looking forward to. So those like rat droppings or whatever. But yeah, man, so that's what we about to be doing, man. I gotta lift up that car, remove the the right front wheel, remove the wheel liner. I'm gonna try to loosen up the bracket for the headlight so I can probably sneak out this module, or just remove the whole headlight and replace it and reinstall it. So luckily today I got my little where's my little camera thing at? Got my little tripod so I can have y'all connected and I can see the time lapse of all of that. So that's a good thing though. You know, a lot of people want me to like get a tripod and like get better content. So we're gonna see how this works. I tried a video, 1 or 2 videos already, so it worked pretty nice. It's just I feel like that the quality of the film, or it's in like 1080, 1098 or something like that. The quality is not 4K or nothing like that, so the quality of the time lapse don't really look all that great, but we're gonna try it out and see how Alright guys, so we got the wheel liner off. So yeah, I put in a new bulb right there. You can see it. That cap was missing. I wish I would have ordered one soon. Hopefully it's somewhere inside of this pan and I can find it. Well yeah. So the module I need is on the top side. It's the bottom module. We need to get to this module back here. So I'm gonna loosen up the bolts. Hopefully I can let it hang, or I really don't want to take it all the way out. If I can get some room to get it out, that'd be the best bet. So yeah man, let's get the headlight out so we can fix this problem. Alright guys, so I'm gonna need the car. See the strut, all that. So what I'm thinking is I'm just gonna remove these bolts up here. 1, 2, 3. And I'm just gonna try to drop this bracket down because the module is right here behind this bracket. So hopefully I don't even have to move the headlight. Just move this thing out the way. I just move this bracket out the way and get to the module behind there. I'm just gonna remove these, this is for your airbag sensor right here. I'm gonna remove those two T30s and then let it hang with the bracket. It should be good. Alright guys, so let's try that. Alright guys, so we got the headlight loose. So you get room now to get to that module. I just took off all the mounting bolts for the bracket. I was gonna try to figure out how to get this out, but I figured I'm gonna sneak it through. I'm gonna get my hands on those nuts. And I have a special socket. It's like a stubby T20. So I think I can get it in there, you know, get on the bolts, break them loose like this. So I can break them loose, slide the module out, and swap the new one in. So I'm gonna try that. Hopefully I don't fight with it too long. Then I'll let y'all know how it go. Alright guys, so I realized it's just better off just pulling out this bracket and just letting it hang a little bit so you can get to the bolts. I don't want to take all this stuff out, so that's why I'm not pulling it out. But the module's just back here. It's back here in this corner. I think I can get to it. So I just pushed it in, loosen up that bracket, put it down a little bit. So you see the headlight is all the way out. I can even flip it and pull it out if I need to. But I'm just trying to replace that module. So I'm about to do that. Now I'll turn this thing back on. Alright guys, so I got it out. There's two connectors that plug into it. But the way I got it out, I just kept flipping it around, looking for like better access points. So that's loose, you can flip it around and figure it out. This is the old one. Here's the old part number to it. I'll show y'all the new one. So this is my new one. Gotta look for this number right here. This is your part number. This matches that. Sorry man, so I'm gonna install it now. Put the new one in. Just make sure they're the same connectors. The spacing looks different, but hopefully it works. This is more spread out than this one. Well, let's hope that it works. Alright, let's do it. Yeah, so it's actually not gonna work. There are two different connectors. The ones up here are the same, but these two are different. So I guess I gotta order the right one. Now that sucks. I mean, I gotta put all this shit back together. Damn, man, this sucks. Alright, man. Stay tuned for the next video, man. Hopefully, get this squared out.